Let's make this reception in the Prosto program. In this program, you can create any furniture you want easily and quickly. If you make furniture, I can create models and product drawings for you. The link is in the description. I've already opened the program and I'm moving to this corner of the room. Click New Element and then click on the left wall. Click twice, Dimensions. Height 1100 minus 18. Depth 600. Then position, we need all 3 zeros. Okay. Now click on this element and hold down your left mouse button and click your right mouse button to make a copy of this element. And we need another copy. To make this element horizontal, Ctrl D on a keyboard, Z-axis, rotate twice, and put it here. Dimensions width 1600. Now click on this element and hold down the shift, then click on this element. Align right X-axis. Click twice on this element, depth 200 and width plus 80. Position minus 40. And probably plus 80 and back minus 80, like this. Another copy of this element, then click rotate and hold down the shift and click on this wall. Align backs Z-axis, then just stretch it. In Prosto, you can create absolutely any furniture, including kitchens, wardrobes, and loft furniture. The program also makes it easy to create design projects like this. In my course, I provide step-by-step training on how to design any furniture and entire rooms. From scratch, under my guidance, you will learn how to work in the Prosto program. We will also learn how to create product drawings, cutting lists, specifications, and estimates, as well as beautiful and presentable image. More details about the course can be found via the link in the description. I need 2 more elements here and here. So I'm making a copy of this element and rotate it. Put it here, align tops and stretch it. 1 more copy, align rights. And 1 more copy of this element. Nothing has to be red, so I'm stretching it here and then here. Select this element, Ctrl R. We're making it horizontal, Z-axis, rotate twice, and put it here, then stretch it. Double click, position to the bottom, 750 minus 38, and dimensions height 38. Now hold down the shift and select all, then rotate twice. Create a new element, dimensions width 30, depth 30. Put it here, then here. Stretch it in height and align left. Now I need a lot of copies of this element. Now select these elements and delete them. Everything is ready and we should put these elements here. Now hold down the shift and select all. Click twice, material. Change OK. And we can turn off the contours and turn on the photorealism. And our reception is ready. If you need help with installing the program, the link is in the description.